Hey 30-minute marketers. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and today we're talking about YouTube and COPPA compliance. And I'm going to be showing you a free tool from Tubebuddy that can help you make sure that your settings are correct and are compliant with YouTube settings and the FTC COPPA requirements. First things first, we'll go ahead and we will hop over to YouTube Studio. And once you're inside of your YouTube Studio, what you will do is you'll go down to your videos, and then what you have here is your list of videos as normal. Then of course, once you have installed the free Tubebuddy Chrome extension, as you can see here, of course I'll leave a link in the description so you can download this free extension for Chrome. You will have a Tubebuddy toolbar up here at the top, and the toolbar we're looking at today is under miscellaneous tools and the COPPA Center tool. So what you'll do is you'll click on COPPA Center, and it's going to bring up some information here. If you don't know or you haven't watched this video and you don't understand what COPPA is, you need to watch this video from YouTube creators, and as well as understand that Tubebuddy and myself cannot and are not offering legal advice. This is just a tool to help you to work towards compliance. And to do that, you simply go over here and you check on the Start Scan under what videos on your channel are made for kids. You click Start Scan. It will scan all your public videos. As you can see here, it says it takes about 2 seconds per 50 videos. And then you can see what your settings are. Of course, this YouTube channel has already been set up at the global level, and I'll leave a card up here in the corner where you can check out how to make those settings if you haven't done that already. And as you can see here, all of your content is currently rated as not for kids, and of course here, videos not for kids 120. Here's the important element here: rating determined by, hit the question mark. No one meaning YouTube's algorithm was unable to determine if the video was made for kids, and you have not manually set a rating yourself either. You, meaning you have set your channel manually, or YouTube _kids. YouTube's algorithm determined this video was made for kids, but you manually overrode the setting and marked it as not made for kids. What that means is that at some point, YouTube will be scanning every video across YouTube to include your channel, and they will be using AI to determine if your content is made for kids according to their definition or according to the FTC's definition that they're using. So as you can see, once you have those settings determined, you also can use the action right here to edit each individual video. Now, let me hop over to another YouTube channel that I have and show you what this looks like. If you haven't complied yet, you will, if you're in your YouTube channel and you have yet to comply, you will see all creators are obligated to take action to comply with Children's Online Privacy Protection Act and or other laws. Review your channel settings and video settings. Select channel settings up here. That will be how you set your global settings. Again, check the cards for the video where I cover that. But what we'll do is we'll go back to the channel videos here, the toolbar, the Tubebuddy toolbar. We'll go back to COPPA Center and we'll scan this, and you'll see the difference. All of your content is not rated as made for kids. Videos not made for kids. Rating determined by, and as you can see here, because these have not been set, they are set to no one. I haven't set them, and the YouTube's algorithm was unable to determine if the video was made for kids. So it is required that I go through and I set each one of these individually, or the overall channel. Of course, each individual action, I click on edit. That will take me to the video. And of course, if you scroll down here under the settings, you'll see here you can select your audience settings. Yes for kids, no not for kids, and then that will take care of everything. And of course, once you make that setting, you just go back over here and you hit save. And that is the free tool from Tubebuddy. Of course, there'll be a link in the description. You can click on that link, download the free Tubebuddy tool, go to this COPPA Center, make sure that you have your COPPA settings set correctly as needed for your channel, and that you understand what the settings are by reading the information inside the Tubebuddy tool, as well as I'll leave a link in the description to the FTC's documentation on setting up your channel. Is it for kids? Is it not for kids? Check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint so you can start your own online business today. Click on the 30-minute timer here to subscribe to the channel. Check out the other videos here on the end screen. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.